Hi folks, Russ here from ProSteam. What you're looking at here is a little demo we did the other day on this engineered wood, just to show our customer the results, what we could achieve. There's a scratch that runs right across here. So by removing the dirt from the scratch, you remove how visual the scratch is. So what we're going to do, we're going to use our Excentr machine to gently scrub the surface of this this engineered wood flooring. We're only going to do this area here because this is all the customer requires. So here, this is how it looks before. Okay, quite soiled. Okay, we'll come back to this in a minute and we'll see how it's looking once we get the Excentr machine working on it. Right, okay, so we're seeing quite a difference here. Okay, just a few passes using our Excentr machine on this really soiled area. This is the main entrance into the property. Okay. Right. But look at how much dirt that is lifting. Okay. Now, you are not going to be able to achieve the same results on your hands and knees. Okay, we've invested a lot of money into our equipment and our training. So if you want the same results, there is only one way to get these results, and that is to hire a professional to do it. Well, there you have it, folks. We've cleaned this engineered wood. Unfortunately, that is damaged, and no amount of cleaning is going to improve that. I guess this would have to be sanded by a company that restores this type of flooring. But what I've actually done is remove all the dirt, and there was a lot of dirt. And then what we've done then is just simply blend in the floor, so it blends in with the rest of it. We didn't want, customer only wanted this portion of the floor doing. Okay, so there you have it, looking a lot better. It's just still drying out in places, but that's now ready to use.